Hello everyone, I am Archit Patil and we are here to present our innovation named electricity generation from highway wind pressure. I am joined by my teammates Vinyas, Varad, Sathe, Suhas, Meshram and Kartik. And together we are work on a simple yet powerful idea that turns waste air into useful energy.
Exactly, normally that air pressure just gets lost into the surrounding, but our idea captures that lost energy. We have designed a system that installs small vertical wind turbines along the highway dividers. So as vehicle passes by, their motion pushes the air which spins the turbine, and that spinning motion is used to generate clean, renewable electricity.
Let's dive into how it actually works. Each windmill is connected to a central shaft which is linked to a gear system. When a vehicle passes, the wind pressure spins the blade. The shaft transfers this motion to the gears and the gears increase the rotation speed. That's important because generators need a high RPM to produce electricity efficiently.
Now, to make the system reliable and long-lasting, we introduce a dual bearing system mechanism. Here's how it works. The active bearing the shaft during normal operation, but if it ever fails due to heat, friction or overload, the inactive bearing work instantly takes over. This ensures continuous operation without any breakdown. So even if one part fails, the system keeps generating power smoothly. It's like a relay race where the next runner is always ready.
The electricity produced this setup can power several things right where needed most. For example, highway street lights, nearby villages, and toll boats and emergency services. Imagine the future where not only connected cities but also power them.
In conclusion, our project demonstrates how a small change of this design thinking can make a big difference in sustainability. We are using what are already available, the air pressure from fast-going vehicles and turning it clean, renewable energy without using any extra fuel. Thank you.